In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Pipedrive API key. Whether you're a beginner or have some technical know-how, this guide is designed to walk you through each step with ease, ensuring you have your API key ready to use by the time we're finished. First, let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to the Pipedrive website. For those who might not be familiar, Pipedrive is a robust customer relationship management tool that helps businesses effectively manage their sales processes. It's a handy tool to have, and today we're going to unlock even more of its potential. Once you're on the website, go ahead and log into your account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Pipedrive dashboard. This is essentially your home base for all sales management activities. While there's a lot you can do here, today our focus is a bit more targeted. We need to access a specific area of your account settings. Next, move your cursor to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see an option labeled My Account. Give that a click. This section is your gateway to configuring and tailoring your Pipedrive experience to suit your needs. Within the My Account menu, there are several options at your disposal. But our interest today is in the Personal Preferences section. So, click on it, and let's delve into these settings. Now, amidst the variety of options and settings available, keep an eye out for one labeled API. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. This is a crucial step as it brings us closer to our goal of accessing your unique API key. This key is essentially your personal password that allows third-party applications to securely interact with your Pipedrive account, enabling a plethora of automation and integration possibilities. Finally, now that you're in the API section, you'll notice your API key sitting there nice and visible. It may appear to be a random string of characters, but don't underestimate its significance. This is the key, pun entirely intended, to seamlessly integrate Pipedrive with other tools and services. Next to your API key, you'll see a handy copy button. Click on it, and just like that, your Pipedrive API key is copied to your clipboard, ready for use wherever you next need to input it. A quick reminder here. It's absolutely vital to keep your API key safe. Treat it with the same caution you would any other sensitive information, because it essentially provides access to your Pipedrive account. Ensure you only use it with trusted services and applications to maintain security. And there you have it. You've successfully retrieved your Pipedrive API key and are now poised to explore the multitude of integration options available. This can significantly streamline your sales process and enhance productivity. Thank you for tuning in and following along with this guide. Be sure to stay connected for more tips and tricks to maximize the potential of your sales tools and boost your efficiency.